there is a whole menu, menu H, called Tapering Stitches. And I want to show you how this works. So menu H has 3 screens of stitches that when you sew them, you can control their ends and beginnings, and they will taper. So let's just start off with the first one, which is just a satin stitch, and go to I for information. And notice you have a new symbol that comes up. This is the tapering options. So you have at the top 2 tabs, what angle you want the beginning to be and what angle you want the end taper to be. So let's just, for fun, let's just leave it at the 90 degrees that it starts off with. So as we sew, we'll find our stitches. We'll start off tapered, and so they'll taper the beginning, and then notice how long this is. It doesn't have to be that long. It will then be ended as soon as you touch your reverse button. So touch your reverse button, and what it'll do is then taper the end, and it will lock it, and then you can go ahead and cut it. So can you imagine all the varieties? That is great for satin stitching. If you've ever wondered how they make those corners look so pretty, they taper them. Well, with this menu, you have built-in tapering versions, and you can get it to be at any amount. So let's just do some fun. Let's just do number 10, and you'll notice that in our tapering menu, we can change it, and you can see it on screen how it's going to look before you even sew it out. So if we have that to be the beginning and this one to be the end, you can kind of see what it's going to do. And then we'll just go ahead and do the green check mark, and then we'll go ahead and sew it. You have so many different options here. Let's just go ahead and we'll do some. So it's going to start off with that taper. We'll do some decorative stitches. Again, however long you want this decorative line to be, continue to sew until you want it to end. Touch the reverse button to end it, and it will finish out what you see on screen with the last stitch. And look at this. So now you realize what you're seeing with these tapered stitches that I have done already. Have fun with those, but play around with them when you are stitching out all those decorative stitches.